Good morning, students. As we have started this topic, moving away from rote learning to constructivism. Today it is the demand to avoid the rote learning and move towards the constructivism, because conventional methods are not fruitful to learn this English language. After independence, as India being a bilingual, using more people are not able to communicate properly. So now it is the question arise that how it is possible to improve the communication skill, because it is very essential to adjust in this world. Should have the proper knowledge of English. So right now we will continue that topic and we will discuss about the ways of constructing knowledge in classroom, because it is very essential to avoid rote learning. रटंत विद्या से छुटकारा दिलाना है, और अगर रटंत विद्या से छुटकारा दिलाना है तो किस मेथड को अप्लाई किया जाना चाहिए वो हम यहाँ डिस्कस कर रहे थे. कंस्ट्रक्टिविस्ट अप्रोच, और उस कंस्ट्रक्टिव अप्रोच को लाने के लिए क्लास में कौन कौन से वेज अप्लाई किए जाने चाहिए वो वेज हम यहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे. देखेंगे कि जो कंस्ट्रक्टिविज्म emphasize the importance of knowledge, belief and skills that an individual brings to the experience of learning. Students are given autonomy for own exploration. It's very essential point कि students explore, experiment and learn this second language, and this new understanding he learned with the guidance of the teacher in the class. Students' autonomy and initiative are accepted and encouraged in the class. Whatever the autonomy is provided by the teachers in the class to students is accepted by the class students, peer groups and teachers also. With this encouragement they learn this language. The teacher asked open-ended questions through this method and allow wait time for responses. Students exchange their personal views in the class, so learn this second language, and each student get chance to build understanding based on empirical evidence. So as we are seeing here ways, students' autonomy and initiative are accepted and encouraged. So for constructive knowledge in the classroom, students' autonomy and initiative are accepted and encouraged by the respecting students' ideas and encouraging independent thinking. Teachers help students attain their own intellectual identity. Students frame, my dear friends, in this point, the student frame questions and he issues, then go about analyzing learning, answering them. They take responsibility for their own learning and become problem solvers, because with the help of their own autonomous ideas they are able, because knowledge is within. So within the knowledge they are able to solve the problems. The teacher, next we are seeing here point, teacher asked open-ended questions and allows wait time for responses. So reflective thought takes time and it often built on others' ideas and comments. So the way of teacher asks questions in the class and the way the student response will structure the success of student inquiry. And next point we will discuss here, high level thinking is encouraged. So in the classroom, the teacher challenge the students to reach beyond the simple factual response. The teacher encourages students to connect and summarize concept, to analyze, by predicting, by justifying, by defending their ideas. Teacher defend the ideas of the student. So high level of thinking is encouraged in the class. Students are, next point we are seeing here, students are engaged in dialogue with the teacher and with each other. So as with in this point we are discussing here, social intercourse help students change or enforce their ideas. If the students have chance to present what they think and what they hear others' ideas, student can build a personal knowledge base that they understand. So students feel comfortable to express their ideas in the classroom when they are engaged in the meaningful classroom dialogue with the teacher and with the other peer groups in the class. Next point we are going to discuss here, students are engaged in dialogue with the teacher and with each other. Provide experience with knowledge. This point, provide experience with knowledge. Teacher present topic to the learners in the class and guide students to explore the topic through experimentation. So learner encouraged to frame a research questions and teacher helps the students to answer the research question framed by the students. So in this way, with the construction of sentences with the help of questions, they are able to frame in English language. Next point we will discuss here, the class uses raw data, primary sources, manipulating and physical interactive materials. So raw data, primary sources, manipulative and physical interactive materials can be used for constructive knowledge in the classroom. This approach involves students in real world possibilities, and this approach helps them to generate the abstractions that bind phenomena together. So in this way there are so many ways in this approach. Constructivism, learner construct own knowledge and actively he discover the knowledge and internally driven development. So now we are reaching in the conclusion, and we can say that conventional method is right now unapproved in the like India country, and repetition practice, mechanical drills and memorization are the hallmark of traditional methods, and right now traditional methods are useless to improve the English language. So since English is official language of the world, we are seeing that it is utmost important that English has to be taught in such a way that it will help us not just to speak, write, read and listen, but to communicate with the others. Hence, innovative methods help in bringing a change. It is time to bring a change. It helps students learn faster and in an efficient, interesting and interactive manner. So, we have discussed here about constructivism. So, constructivism is such approach which engage the learners in such a way that they construct their new knowledge. Therefore, constructivism approach has become an indispensable tool in English language. Classrooms to find the best ways for both, as I told you earlier, for students to learn effectively and the teachers to teach efficiently. So it is very important approach, and if we apply this approach in the class, so students can able to communicate English very easily, and today is the time for the construction रचनात्मक थिंकिंग करने की. थैंक यू.